Hi guys, Sylvia here from Sylvan Starlight Creations. I just wanted to do a really quick video on a super quick but super helpful technique that you can do with a gel plate. So a lot of times I like to color whatever my subject is going to be on my art journals in whatever medium that I want to use, but I want to be able to paste in my art journals and layer on top of it, glue it down without everything running and smearing. And a lot of the mediums that I like to use could run with the gel medium that I'm using to glue my stuff down. So this is actually going to be the subject for an upcoming art journal class. And I colored her with my Copic markers, and I went around the edges with a water-based medium, and I don't want it to run once I apply it to my art journal page. So I'm going to show you real quick how you can seal that in with using your Gelli plate. So first thing I'm going to do is actually grab my gel medium, and I am going to scoop a little bit out here and put that down on my plate. It doesn't actually take too much. And just like you would if you're using paint, gel medium is actually the colorless part of the paint. You do need to make sure, before I forget, you do need to make sure that your Gelli plate is good and clean before doing this. Otherwise, you will end up with little crusty bits on your image. I did that once before. Ask me how I know. Okay, so I've braided her the medium out, and I'm just going to go ahead and lay her down into it. I'm just going to take a piece of scrap paper here so I don't get gel medium all over my hands. Press her in. Lift it up. And now she's actually sealed in and protected. I'll let her dry. It won't take but a few seconds, and I'll be good to go to use her in my art journal. Thanks, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you've got any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the description down below. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to our page, and we appreciate you visiting. All right, I'll see you next time. Thanks so much. Bye.